India, if we as citizens start taking ownership and try and work with BBMP in solving the problems, the probability of us having a cleaner neighborhood is higher than if we just upload a picture and expect BBMP to solve it.
Ma'am, here we are not here for solid waste management, here we are for awareness. I'll finish my presentation, then please give me a question.
Ma'am, as you told, from the past 2 days, we've been talking about how we can prevent making waste. That is important. Yes, that is very, very important. But right now, at this day, there is waste that has already been generated by us itself in the past. Now, prevention is one chapter. Now, another chapter is if we are not able to manage the waste at this moment, right now, then we have to make the officials aware. And this website that I'll be showing you, you can make the actual officials that are responsible, the contractors, the BBMP officials aware. This is just for awareness. For example, see, this is a website. It's called Vijay GPMS. VIGEYE GPMS. So basically, every individual here, you don't even need to be a member of this website or whatever. You can go personally and raise a complaint. So basically, as you can see very well, you can upload the subject, your message, your name, your contact number. So, and you can basically upload photos as well. My intention is not to tell you there's a website where you can upload photos, but what I'm telling you, there's a situation that's going on here, and if you cannot solve it, you can at least contact the officials that are in charge. So this website is made for it. These are the complaints that are already there. And as you can see, on top it's written unresolved 7,406. Why is it unresolved? Because people here, or people mostly, are not aware of this website. If this website was active and working and there was pressure from youths like us, I'm pretty sure all the complaints will be resolved.
Because they did it today and yesterday.
Yes?
Unresolved problems here you can see right now, 1.5 hour back also there was a complaint put on. Half hour, you can see there, 24 to 2016 at 2 o'clock. So all these complaints, they have a particular deadline to complete it.
BBMP.
Yeah, this is about BBMP. Yeah, this is about BBMP.
Ward wise, central.
It's all ward wise.
Okay.
I have to just click the ward name here. For example, I clicked, I click HSR layout. All the HSR layout complaints, there are 271 complaints are from January 1st. Till now, there are 271 complaints which have been uploaded by the people there.
The complaint only about garbage or any other?
Anything related to BBMP. Immediate contact, because here what we put on Facebook, everything stays with us. Here, as much the complaint goes, directly goes to the contractor. He gets a list of complaints, whatever go from here, and he has to complete it. And now, more than going on the website and posting a complaint, there's a much easier way. How many of you have Android phones here? So we'll have to break the rules for the class for 2 minutes. Can all of you move your phones outside? Please. Also go to the messages part.
Are you sure you want to do that?
Normal messages. Yeah. I'll tell you a number. Please send a message of what I'm telling. The message will just be VIGEYE. VIGEYE. Everyone's typed it? Now the number is 09 22 31 74440. Please send the message. After some time, all of you will get a reply message in which you will get a link to download 20 applications. The 20 applications may not cross at least not even 2 MB. Everything is going to be in KB. In these 20 applications, you get everything from potholes, separate application, roads, everything. Now you get a separate application for a garbage. All that you have to do is, how much time do people take to take a selfie? Just a second. Same thing, go into the application, you see garbage fallen on that side, take a photo of it and send it. Just send it to the ward number. That's it. It directly goes to the contractor saying there is garbage here, you have so much time to collect it and remove it. This is what this, the 20 applications, we have different things. It goes to the BBMP and the BBMP sees the ward number. According to the ward number, it sends the complaint to the particular contractor or engineer. As it goes, the contractor sends it to whomever has the complaint and they complete it.
Subodh Yadav or Mr. Sarfaraz Khan. So that you know officials which are working, which are not working.
Sarfaraz Khan, whatever I spoke in the morning, was also from this website. You can explore this website. You will get to know the photo of the current progress of the work. Every day, photos should be uploaded by the contractor. I told that there is extra pay because we have gone through the whole thing research. BBMP has allowed only 5 lakhs. The person has around put 5 lakh 10,000. So he gets 10,000 in his pocket. You can go through this website and get to know everything what the BBMP does. It's fully transparent. This is the website about it. Yeah. Yeah, BBMP knows, the commissioner knows. We've spoken to the commissioner, we interacted a lot with him about this.
This is wonderful. We should look at this in a ward level pilot. Get BBMP officials, citizens, everyone connected together. We should talk about it offline.
Yeah, that's why I've given you the applications, because if you can't get onto the website opening a laptop, you'll be going for shopping or anything, you just see garbage, take a photo, send it. That's all we have to do. And ma'am, there's the third website, but it's not opening here. It's called India Citizen Network. It's India Citizen Network, it connects only Indians. Indians are the only people who can join that. So in this network, you get to know everything about India, total, whatever was happening. If I open that, there was something happening in Delhi of a pothole. Including the pothole, you get to see what was the expense of the pothole, including the correct amount how much they have spent. Every rupee that India spends on the infrastructure, anything, everything is put on the website. Yeah, in the India Citizen Network, it's not only potholes or anything in India, anything that India constructs, anything they do, all that they have to do is so all that they have to do is they have to put anything. So you have to just create an idea and you have to put how much expense you have gone through. So that is part of it. It was actually to be launched on March 13th in Make in India. As a company, people couldn't go, they couldn't. So the company which we are into is Indian Center for Social Transformation. So the main thing about this company is they follow the government's 51AJ. The 51AJ means that it's not the fundamental duty but the fundamental right. Sorry, it's not the fundamental right but the fundamental duty of every citizen to take care of his society. Hereby we end our presentation.
A lot of you guys keep closing up, so I won't take too long.